This is Mr. Lungs. The damage is real. The coughing won't stop. Unless he stops. Today is the day. He puts out the last cigarette. The timeline of recovery begins now. Minutes pass like hours. Just 20 minutes in. Look, his heart rate and blood pressure are already dropping to normal.
Circulation is returning to his hands and feet. The fire inside is calming down.
12 hours later, the poisonous carbon monoxide is leaving the body. Oxygen levels are rising. 24 hours. The risk of a heart attack is already beginning to decrease. Incredible!
48 hours. Nerve endings are regrowing. He can smell and taste things again.
Food actually has flavor now. It's a whole new world of taste. Day 3. The nicotine is completely gone. He's cranky and experiencing withdrawal, but it means he's clean. 2 weeks later, the great cleanup begins. Lung function is improving significantly. Look at that! The cilia, tiny cleaning hairs, are growing back like fresh grass. 1 month. He is coughing up mucus, but that's good. He's clearing out the trash. Walking and running are becoming so much easier. No more wheezing. He looks younger. His skin is brighter. The gray pallor is gone. 3 months. Lung function has increased by up to 30%. He has energy to burn. 9 months. His immune system is strong. The cilia are fighting off infections effectively. 1 year. The transformation is complete. Just look at him. A gold medal for health. The risk of heart disease is now half that of a smoker. He's a champion. He beat the addiction. He is stronger than ever. Shortness of breath is a thing of the past. Every breath feels like a gift. Pure, clean oxygen.
It's a journey from darkness to light. And it's worth.
5 years later, risk of stroke falls to that of a non-smoker. He is unstoppable. 10 years. Risk of lung cancer drops by half. He bought himself a future. His friends, heart and brain, are celebrating too. The whole body is healed.
Never look back, except to see how far you've come.
15 years. Risk of heart disease is back to that of a non-smoker. Total victory. You are not a slave to the smoke anymore. You are free. Your body is amazing. It wants to heal. It's waiting for you to start. Start your timeline today. Watch your lungs clean themselves. You got this!